This is how we simplify trigonometric expressions. So here we find their common denominator. Since the denominators are different, we just take their product. So we have sine theta multiplied by cosine theta. Now you can do your division, but the simple trick is multiply what is on the numerator on the left and what is in the denominator on the right. So you have cosine theta multiplied by what is in the numerator is cosine theta plus sine theta. Okay. And then in the middle, you have a summation, right? So you're going to add uh, the product of the denominator on the left and the numerator on the right. So that is plus sine theta multiplied by sine theta minus cosine theta. Okay. Next, we are going to use the distributive property. So just distribute, right? Or open the parentheses in simple terms. Okay. So we have cosine squared theta, then plus cosine theta sine theta. Okay. Then we add the product of the next term, that is sine squared theta, minus the same thing, right? Sine theta, cosine theta. Okay. Don't forget your denominator. So we divide throughout by sine theta multiplied by cosine theta. Okay. Now observe in the numerator that cosine theta sine theta is common. So that thing cancels out. It's a zero, right? So we just remain with cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta divided by everything like sine theta multiplied by cosine theta. Okay. You know from your trigonometric identities that cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is just 1. Okay. So the whole numerator is just 1. So this simplifies to 1 divided by sine theta cosine theta. And we are done. Thanks guys for watching.